This is the revolutionary Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, the thinnest smartphone ever created by Samsung. At just 5.8 millimeters thick, can it deliver power and durability in such a slim body? Let's analyze all its specifications and discover if it deserves a place in your pocket or your next upgrade. Let's start with the design. The S25 Edge immediately impresses with its ultra-thin construction of just 5.8 millimeters. It's literally the thinnest Galaxy S ever made. With a titanium frame and Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, it combines strength with an impressive lightweight of only 163 grams. The color options are sophisticated: titanium silver, titanium jet black, and titanium icy blue, all with a premium finish that elegantly reflects light. And don't worry about accidents. The IP68 certification ensures it survives submersion in fresh water for up to 30 minutes at 1.5 meters depth. For the display, we have a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a Quad HD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, with an impressive 92.1% screen-to-body ratio and a variable refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz. Navigation is incredibly fluid and colors are simply vibrant. The Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 protection keeps everything safe from scratches, and HDR10+ support guarantees a cinematic visual experience when you're watching your favorite movies and series. This screen is simply one of the best on the market. Inside, the S25 Edge is a true powerhouse. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, specially optimized for on-device AI tasks. With 7 cores, including 2 high-performance cores at 4.47 GHz and 5 efficiency cores. At 3.53 GHz, it delivers impressive performance for any task. Samsung has also completely redesigned the vapor chamber system to dissipate heat during intensive gaming and AI tasks, ensuring the device remains stable even under pressure. In terms of memory, we have 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring fluid multitasking and quick switching between heavy applications. The storage is UFS 4.0, available in 256 GB or 512 GB versions, and since there's no micro SD card slot, choose wisely what meets your needs. For cameras, we have an impressive set. The main camera is a powerful 200-megapixel lens with the new AI-enhanced ProVisual engine, capable of capturing impressive details and more natural colors both day and night. Completing the array is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus, perfect for group photos or landscapes, and an AI-powered 2x optical quality zoom for sharper distance shots. For video, it records up to 8K at 30 frames per second, or 4K at up to 120 frames per second with AI stabilization. The front camera has 32 megapixels, ideal for crisp selfies, with portrait and night modes enhanced by artificial intelligence. It's a versatile set that delivers exceptional results in virtually any situation. Despite the super thin body, the battery doesn't disappoint. It's 3,900 mAh, which combined with the efficient processor and variable refresh rate display, guarantees a full day of use. The 25-watt fast charging takes the battery to 55% in approximately 30 minutes. And there's more: fast wireless charging and the practical wireless power share to charge other devices like earbuds or smartwatches using your own phone as a charger. Total versatility for those always on the move. For connectivity, the S25 Edge is at the top. It supports all networks from 2G to advanced 5G, including high-speed millimeter wave bands. You can use dual physical SIM plus dual eSIM with up to 2 active SIMs simultaneously, perfect for those who separate work and personal life or travel a lot. Tri-band Wi-Fi 7 guarantees absurd speeds on compatible networks. Bluetooth 5.4 improves wireless audio quality and stability, and the USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port even allows video output via DisplayPort 1.2. And of course, we have NFC for contactless payments and precise location with support for multiple satellite systems. And now comes the big differential. The Galaxy S25 Edge is deeply integrated with Samsung's Galaxy AI platform. The AI-enhanced ProVisual engine automatically improves details, textures, and colors in your photos. We have tools like Audio Eraser 2, which removes unwanted sounds from videos, and Drawing Assist for creative edits. Now Brief and Now Bar are AI agents that provide contextual reminders and integrate with third-party apps, adapting to your daily routine. And the integration with Google Gemini, including Gemini Live, allows real-time camera and screen sharing with conversational AI support. And the best part, many AI features run locally for greater privacy and speed, protected by Samsung Knox Vault. The personalized multimodal AI adapts to your habits and preferences, offering a more natural and contextual experience. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge hits the market starting at $1,099.99 for the 256GB version and $1,249.99 for 512GB in the US. Pre-orders are already open, with availability from May 30th, 2025. Various carriers offer discounts on financing and special bundles, and in Europe there are trade-in promotions with up to €335 off. And if you want to secure this phone, the purchase link is in the video description. Check it out! The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is ideal for those seeking a premium smartphone that combines ultra-thin and elegant design with top-of-the-line hardware, a professional camera system, and advanced AI features. If you're looking for innovation in both hardware and intelligent software with security and privacy guaranteed by Knox Vault, the S25 Edge is an exceptional choice. And if you like the Galaxy S25 Edge, leave in the comments what you thought of this ultra-thin design. Give a like if you enjoy cutting-edge technology, subscribe for more reviews, and head over to our WhatsApp channel for exclusive offers, link in the description. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video.